Hey guys, what I want to quickly go over in this video is a CyberX Google Cloud Security with Palo Alto Firewall series. Before we start, I want to briefly mention that this educational series is all about showing you how to deploy a Palo Alto Networks next generation firewall on top of the Google Cloud networking infrastructure. And the great thing about this, I would say, course is that you can try it out on your own, because both vendors, Google and Palo Alto Networks, they give you a chance to try their solutions. The solutions that will apply to this course for free. So you can test it out at home without spending a single dollar. Okay, what we will take a look at in this course is gonna be first and foremost the cloud considerations, actually considerations for the whole deployment, which is what I want to talk about the design, high-level design. I want to make an overview of the design to show you what we will try to accomplish and what are going to be the implications of using both solutions. We will talk a little bit about the limitations of this design, and I also want to show you some of the architectures that will apply to this deployment. Next, we will see how to prepare the cloud, especially the cloud networking infrastructure. We will see how to build a Google network to have a place to deploy the firewall on top of it, because that's going to be the goal of this series. And next, we will see how to initialize the deployment, how to use a Palo Alto Networks next generation firewall image from Google Cloud Marketplace. You don't have to have an image to test it out. We will use an existing image that Google Cloud includes in their marketplace. And then to finish, we will see how to configure the firewall itself. So once we've got Palo Alto Networks firewall deployed, installed on top of Google Cloud, we will initialize the firewall and test our configuration. I hope you guys join me in this series. As I said, it's something that you can try out at home without spending $8. So a great thing to improve, boost your skills, and learn in a practical way.